Right, so this is stage 1 of Woodpecker, which we can't pronounce. Britpart, we can't pronounce this one.
We can't. 15 seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So 4 left and 4 right, don't cut. So this is 4 right, don't cut. 40, 3 right over bumps. So 3 right over bumps and long, fast 4 left over crest nips. So long, fast 4 left into crest, tight 4 left, don't cut. 150 down mid. So 150 down mid. Then you're a short 2 right over rough. Short 2 right over rough. And 6 left. And 5 left, 6 right, 5 left. 5 left, 6 right, 5 left, 5 right over crest. 4 right, only 40. Short 3 left in over bump. Short 3 left in over bump. 80. Steady downhill here. Fast 4 left in. Into 6 right over crest. Keep out. So 6 right over crest. Keep out. Caution. Tight 4 left bump. Tight 4 left bump. Only 60. Caution. 3 right. And square left slippy. So caution 3 right and square left slippy. 40. Long 5 right. Into 6 left. And 6 right over crest. 40. 6 right over bump. And
oh Jesus,
very long 5 right. Very long 5 right. 40. Flat crest, fast 4 left. And 5 right over crest. 80. Care tight 4 left in slippy. Into double caution, care late 3 left down slippy. Care late 3 left down slippy. And 4 right and turn square left. So turn square left. Into 4 right. 130. Flat crest. 80. So flat crest 80. 3 left in slippy, 5 right. 3 left in slippy, 5 right. And long 5 left up into crest, very long 5 right down. So 5 left up, crest, very long 5 right down. And 80, 4 tight 4 right. 40, long 5 left over bump, well 5 left over bump. So this is tight 4 right.
Yep.
40, 5 left over bump and caution, long tight 4 right, don't cut. Long tight 4 right, don't cut. And 5 left in. And caution, 4 right over crest nips. And very long fast 3 right, don't cut. 80. So very long fast 3 right, don't cut. 80. And 5 left over crest. 100. Very late square left, very late square left. This is the nasty one.
Yep.
Into crest. And 4 left, 4 right. 40. 3 right, tight and short 2 right. So 3 right, tight and short 2 right. And very long 5 left. And 6 right over crest. 130 up mid, 6 right over crest, 130 up mid. Right on crest, steady, long fast 2 left in. Right on crest and long fast 2 left in. And 4 right. 60, halfway. So 60, 6 right and 6 right on crest. 80. Slow 4 left over crest, only 40, 3 left in. So 4 left over crest, only 40, 3 left in. And long flat crest. Long flat crest. 6 left. Well, this is your 6 left. 60. 6 left. 100 up mid. So you're 100 up mid. Fast 3 right, don't cut, 170. 3 right narrow, opens long 4 right, so 3 right narrow, opens long 4 right. And 4 right past lane, 100. So this is your 4 right past lane, 100. 5 left, into flat crest, 100. 5 left, into flat crest, 100. Very long 5 right for 100. Only 40, slippy. Danger, long 3 right, don't cut, very slippy. 40. 2 left, tighten square left. So 2 left, tighten square left. And 3 right down. 80. Long 4 left. And 5 left. Into 4 left, don't cut. 40. Middle over flat crest, and 5 left in over bump, 6 right. 5 left in over bump, 6 right. 150 slippy, turn hairpin left. This is turn hairpin left. 100 out. Fast 3 right, so 100 up. Then you're on a fast 3 right.
3.
And 3 and fast 3 right in. 5 left, 60, 6 left, and 6 left over crest, 60, fast 4 left, and 6 right, into crest, into fast 3 right, 5 left, 40, late fast 4 right in over crest, late fast 4 right in over crest, 100, and flat crest, and 6 right, and long flat crest into 6 left, and caution, long 5 left, don't cut, tightens 4 left logging, long 5 left, don't cut, 4 left logging, 40,
5 into 4 logging, yeah?
Yeah. 40, short 3 left in over rough, 40, long 4 left over bumps,
4 left over bumps here.
into very short 3 right,
Yeah, but yeah.
into long flat crest, and fast 4 left down, and short 4 left over crest bump, so short 4 left over crest bump, opens 5 left, 100, long 6 right continues for 100, and then you're going to be into 4 right, 5 left, 4 right, 5 left, 100 slowing, 2 right over finish, danger, 2 right over finish.
I've got no grip.
Good job.
I feel so skittery all over the shop.
Felt fine from my side.
Hey, I felt really uncomfortable. At certain bits I thought, fuck, but that could be me remembering how to drive.
It's a completely different road surface, Kurt.